Hello and welcome to another session of Socializing for Sociology with Shekhar. Now, as we had started in our videos discussing modernity, before that, there have been long on debate over what kind of science sociology is. Is it a modern science? Because yes, it is true that sociology as a discipline, it had emerged as a result of changes happening or occurring during the upheaval time in the modern society, or sociology has been interpreted as a discipline to study modern society as such. Okay? But then sociology, the concept of sociology or its subject matter has existed since ancient time. Sociology, which is a new science, is similarly also an old science. The subject matter of sociology is not new. Man, since long past, have been curious about the society that he lives into. But earlier, it used to come under the domain of other discipline, maybe mostly philosophy. Apart from philosophy, it also used to come under the domain of other subjects, and more importantly, it coincided with history. Major stakeholder was philosophy. But do you actually think that work of Plato, Kautilya, Aristotle, their work has no impact on society? Just think about it. Try to stimulate your sociological thinking and you will realize that no, their work had impact on society. And therefore, sociology or society was always a subject matter to human being. It is only that in modern society, that is post 18th century, around 19th century, there was a curiosity amongst the intellectual mind of Western Europe to develop a distinct discipline only to study structures and institutions of society and changes occurring in Western European society. But always remember that sociology is a new science which has an old past.